Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a split space Dutch pour with purple, blue and pink as the main colors. I'm using titanium white by Amsterdam on this side. And on this side, I'm using a very light pink. This color is a custom color. It's a mixture of mostly titanium white by Amsterdam and just a little bit of rose pink by Liquitex Basics. I'm making sure I've got paint on the edges too to help ensure that the paint flows over the edges easily once we start to blow this out. By the way, you can find the exact paint colors and ratios listed in the description box, along with all of the other supplies too. Let's pop some of the air bubbles. I'm using a heat gun for that. Now we're ready for the colors. This is Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Primary Magenta by Amsterdam. Rose Pink by Liquitex Basics. And Prussian Blue by Amsterdam. Popping some of those air bubbles again. I'm using the lowest setting on this little hairdryer to blow this out. I'm quite happy with how this one turned out. I'm just going to make a few tweaks. I'm not a fan of the large amount of rose pink showing through in certain areas, so I'm using a straw to make those sections a little bit narrower by blowing towards them. Let's see what this looks like from close up. Overall, really happy with this piece. I especially like the sections where the purple and the primary magenta came through. I'd love to know what you think. Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.